Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk to you about 3 unusual ways to make money online. Now, I must stress that the methods in this video are not to get rich and you're not going to make an insane amount of money from it. Instead, it's just a way of making a little bit of side income when you're bored or you're just hanging around and not doing anything, and maybe you're going to play video games instead. So it's a way of making a little bit of extra money on the side. Now, the way I do it is you go to Ysense, and I link the profile down below, and you make a profile, you fill in your information, and then you can take surveys and fill out offers. And because each survey takes only a few minutes for me usually, I get anywhere from 30 cents to $5, and it's a decent amount of money that you can get from it. Obviously, you need to pick the surveys carefully, and depending on who you are and what you've done in your life, it can be a lot of money or it can be a little bit less. I usually make a decent amount of profit from it every time I try this, and it's usually when I'm bored or waiting in line. So because of that, I make a decent amount of side income from that, and over a longer period of time, I've made decent income from it. Obviously, it's just side income, it's not something big, but if you invest it, why not? It's an extra $1,000 you have to invest. So it's something that I enjoy and you can give it a shot. The next option on our list is called inbox dollars, and it's one that I enjoy a lot more than Ysense because I find that it's actually much easier to make money on there, and they have other options other than just surveys, even though it's very similar to Ysense in that they have surveys. Also, they give you $5 when you first sign up, so I kind of enjoyed that boost. And also, because they take making money a little more seriously, you need $30 to actually cash out. But making $30 doesn't take that long, and if you're bored and you're not doing anything anyways to make money like right now, so you might as well just check it out and make a little extra money. So inbox dollars is definitely an option if you're interested. They also have raffles, so like as you're doing surveys and entering raffles, occasionally you'll win a little bit of money. It's possible to win huge amounts, but it's just unlikely. Just remember, it is a lottery, and lotteries, what are the chances of winning? Obviously, it's a better chance than the normal lottery, but still, don't expect to win huge amounts from inbox dollars. But if you fill out surveys, you win occasionally extra cash. It's a nice amount of money, and yeah, if you're bored and you're trying to make a little extra income, inbox dollars is definitely your choice. The next one on our list, and this is the last one, is by far the most interesting. It's absolutely bizarre in my opinion, but it's a way of making money. So basically, you participate in a mock court case online for attorneys, and then they get feedback based on their case and based on how you give verdict. And basically, when you fill out these fake court case stuff, you get money for it. You get paid. I'll link it down below. You can give it a shot. You do have to sign up and they have to accept you, and it's a lot of a little bit of background checks and a little bit of a process. But once you start, you make anywhere from $10 to $50 a court case, and that's not bad at all. It usually only takes, I think, about 30 to 50 minutes. So definitely worth a shot if you're interested in court cases and judge and jury, that kind of thing, and cat and mouse games. And it's definitely interesting stuff. So if you're interested in giving that a shot, I'll link it down below. Obviously, I don't get any money for it. I just want you to try it out and see if you make money. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think of it down below. I'm really interested in other people's opinions of e-jury. Let me know your opinions about the other ones as well. Obviously, give this video a like if you enjoyed. I'm going to be making more content, as much unique, awesome content as I can over time. Thank you so much for watching, and have an incredible day.